Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Gantt and Clickup for beginners. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Gantt charts and ClickUp is a great way for beginners to visualize project timelines, manage tasks, and track progress. Alright, so once you are logged into your ClickUp account, you just have to navigate to the space folder or list where you want to access the Gantt chart. There's going to be an option here on the plus icon or the add icon or the view section. Just click on that and you would be able to see the option for Gantt wherein you can plan, time, and view dependencies. Click that. And from here, you can name your view first. Enter the Gantt chart view. This is going to be the Gantt. All right. So you see, you have so many options from here. Now, this is how Gantt works. On the left side, you can drag this to make your space a little bit cleaner. Not cluttered. You have the plus option wherein you can show the columns like assignees, created, due date, ID, priority, start date, status, updated, time track, and time estimate. All right. For example, I'm going to put in the updated. You see that? You would be able to see all the columns that you wanted. You can put all of the information here as long as you want, so they would auto-populate the information. But the thing is, don't worry, because this specific column will be it'll freeze, like it's like a frozen pane. And from here, you can put in, just click on to schedule task, right? That's one of the best way for you. You can drag this here around here so you can have more control. Going to so you can see the going to click on plus, going to hide all this for now to make our dashboard a little bit not cluttered. You see, when you click on this specific slider, all right, you can add another one here. You can click to schedule task right here. And of course, from there, you have multiple options, right? You see, there's like a pointer for the end and start date. You see that two small points? You can zoom in to see how it's going to look like. And you can, of course, slide it in. You can drag the slider so you can have better control of the view. And from here, now this slider is the length. You can see that it changes. Of course, you can click that to maximize the information. Just like that one. You can zoom in so you can have better control. And you see the export option. If you're happy with it, all you have to do is select the PDF format. If you want to export the Gantt, right? You can put in some information here. You can select that as PNG as well. Once you're happy with that, click on export. And you'll automatically save the Gantt that you have created here on the ClickUp. Now, after that, now when you click on today, you see, this is going to be the current week. You can zoom in the time scales like day, week, month, and quarter. You see that? But that's going to be for the 2024. I'm going to slide in and make it a little bit bigger. And of course, maximize that. You can also use this option to hide task table. You see that? So you would be able to see, you have better control of the vantage point of your Gantt. Now, there are a few options for the Gantt wherein you can rename this. For example, this is going to be, going to rename the Gantt as maybe Deep Laughs. Of course, you can copy link to view add to favorites, customize the view if you wanted. You can put in autosave for me, pin view, private view. You can have the option to duplicate the view. And there's a lot that you can work here on the Gantt. When you use the templates, if you wanted to browse templates, just like this one for the Gantt, okay, you can put in as much as template as you want for the task. After that, all you're going to do is click on create, so you would be able to incorporate that to this specific Gantt that you are currently working with. All right. If you want to delete this view, you might want to do so. And if you are working with multiple freelancers, clients, and collaborators or team members within a specific organization, you might want to share this link to anyone. You can copy the public link. You can put the expire link to never expire, and you can share this link with search engines. This is very good for SEO and backlinking profiles. You can embed code, copy code, and embed it to your specific website. And if you wanted, you can allow opening tasks on Clickup. You can also hide the advanced setting or make it private. But in terms of that, you have all of these exploration for you to do it. You can share this link and you can invite by name or email. This is very good if you have team members working in this specific Gantt. And after doing so, all you have to do is click on save. Now on the Gantt view, you see there's an option here on the add task. You can add a task or even a milestone from this specific Gantt. All right. And the milestone, you can put in as much as information as you can. And create a milestone. Of course, you can use a template. For example, I'm going to use social media content plan because we are working as a team here in GPLAF channels. One is responsible for uploading the thumbnails, one is uploading the video, and others are creating the content. You can use the template from here, and of course, you can override with a template as you go along. You see that? And now you can create milestones within the Gantt. Now, the idea is that you see that Gantt provides a visually appealing way to present project plans and progress in meetings or reports because it's a powerful yet accessible tool for beginners like me, and of course to manage their data, and of course it enhances coordination, improves overall project management. It has a user-friendly feel, and it's a intuitive interface and integration with other Clickup features, making it an ideal choice for beginners looking to get organized and stay on track. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on save, and that's how you use Gantt and Clickup. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.